Hi family, it's just me again. I thought I would send a little message today because homework is due tomorrow, and there's two ways to turn in homework. You can sign the papers in your student's red folder and submit those tomorrow, or you can do it online through Canvas. Um, I thought it might be good if we started practicing using Canvas, those who aren't totally familiar with it, just in case something comes up like a long-term stay at home time, like for COVID, or like a snow day, or even just like a vacation or something. We can start using Canvas to submit things. And so it might be just a bit easier if we start getting a little more familiar with it now instead of when we have to. So I'm with you on learning how to use it. If you log into Canvas using your student's little QR code, it'll take you to a screen that looks similar to this, and we'll just click on the owl for Mrs. Stewart's homepage. So the QR code and all the login information is on the red folder, but I'm also going to send you an email, hopefully today. By tomorrow is my goal. Maybe it might be Tuesday. Hopefully today or tomorrow, with your student's QR code that you can just save in your email in case you're not home or you don't have your red folder. So to get into Canvas, this is through Clever, and then you click on the little red button and it'll pull up Canvas. And if you've logged in already, then it'll just automatically log you into Canvas. This is what mine looks like. If you don't have the QR code, you can also use your student's CSD Docs email and password, and that is also on the front of your red folder. I suggest taking a picture of it, keeping it in your phone just in case, like I said, you're somewhere where you don't have access to the folder, but I can also send that information so that it's in your email. So click here on first grade. I'm going to flip over to the student view so that you can see this is what it looks like when you log in. All of these buttons obviously go to what they say they go to. I just added this fun videos just to try and give the kids something to try and log into Canvas for so they can start getting familiar with it. To submit your homework, you'll go here to this blue homework button and click on it, and then here's the description, and click on week 1 homework. And then so I'm going to submit the homework. This is a copy of the reading and the lucky listener, and so click here on start assignment, and then all I'm asking is just a text box of like, my student read 20 minutes four times this week. Thanks. And then you click submit assignment, and then you get this little celebration. Yay, we did it. And then that's it. That's literally all you have to do. And the best part is that if your kids say, I don't know what happened to my homework paper, you can be like, busted, it's right here on the screen. And so anyway, or like if you're out and about and you're in the car and they want to do their reading in the car or whatever, it's already available on Canvas. So yeah, I had a little get to know you quiz also for this last week. So we go back to homework, and there's this little parent quiz, back to school. I had about 5 of you complete it, which is great. Such good information, things for me to know and keep in my mind as I'm teaching these lovely little kids. So if you wanted to do that, that would be awesome as well. You can get to Clever through Canvas. You can check out their grades. Modules is another button that we'll start using as we get moving along this year. So yeah, here's Canvas. This is the button I just added today for online learning. There's nothing in it yet. Hopefully I'll get that up and running today as well, just in case anybody needs it. So yeah, here's our weekly newsletters under class news. I sent this out on Friday. Anyway, I hope this helps. We're just going to try to keep using Canvas. I'm going to get the kids logged into it this week so it's not so unfamiliar to them. So it's there just in case we need it. It's a little bit easier to start getting used to it a little bit at a time instead of in a time where you have to use it. I learned myself. So we're all in this together, right? And I appreciate you so much. I think your children are wonderful. We had just the best first week, even with all the craziness of buses and inside recess and flooding hallways from the leaks of the rain and all that stuff. It wasn't flooding, but the little drips here and there from the old building. It was a good week. So I'm looking forward to more. But yeah, let's get this homework submitted, whichever way works best for you. So here's another option. I hope you have a great day.